Imagine a kitchen appliance that transforms your cooking game: crispy fries without the guilt, juicy roasts in half the time, and a sleek design that elevates your countertop aesthetic. The Val Cucina Infrared Heating Air Fryer Toaster Oven, Extra Large Countertop Convection Oven. 10-in-1 combo is that game changer. This extra large countertop convection oven is a must-have for home cooks, meal preppers, and entertainers alike. Packed with innovative features, this 10-in-1 air fryer toaster oven delivers versatility, speed, and healthy cooking options that make every meal a masterpiece. Solving everyday cooking problems. The Val Cucina tackles the frustrations of traditional cooking head-on. Tired of unevenly cooked meals? The infrared heating and true convection technology ensures every dish is cooked to perfection, with a golden, crispy exterior and a tender, juicy interior. Struggling with limited counter space but need an appliance that does it all? This 10-in-1 combo oven replaces multiple gadgets, offering air frying, toasting, baking, broiling, roasting, reheating, warming, slow cooking, and dehydrating, all in one sleek package. Worried about unhealthy frying? The air fry feature cuts fat by up to 75%, letting you enjoy your favorite fried foods guilt-free. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or a party host, this oven simplifies your cooking while delivering restaurant-quality results. Why the Val Cucina stands out: unmatched versatility with 10-in-1 functionality. From air frying crispy chicken wings to slow cooking a tender roast, the 10 preset digital functions — air fry, toast, bake, broil, roast, reheat, warm, slow cook, dehydrate — make this oven a jack of all trades. No need for separate appliances cluttering your counter. Infrared heating plus true convection. The cutting-edge infrared heating technology paired with high-velocity air circulation delivers a flavorful brown crust while keeping food moist up to 35%. Say goodbye to dry, overcooked meals. Extra large capacity for families and parties. With a 26.3-quart capacity, this oven can handle a 5 to 6 pound chicken, 6 slices of toast, a 12-inch pizza, or 20 chicken wings. It's perfect for family dinners, meal prepping, or hosting game night. Healthier cooking with air fry. Enjoy fried favorites like fries or mozzarella sticks with up to 75% less fat. The healthy cooking experience lets you indulge without compromising your wellness goals. Fast and efficient. With 1750 watts of power and 6 heating elements, this oven cooks 40% faster than traditional ovens and reduces preheating time by 30%. Save time without sacrificing flavor. User-friendly design. The intuitive digital display and analog controls make operation a breeze, even for beginners. Plus, the non-toxic enamel-coated interior and easy clean accessories — enamel baking tray, wire rack, air fryer basket, crumb tray — simplify cleanup. Sleek and modern aesthetic. Available in black matte stainless steel, happy pink, and other retro-inspired colors, this oven adds a touch of style to any kitchen. It's both functional and Instagram-worthy. Real-world performance: what users are saying. Customers rave about the Val Cucina's performance. One Amazon reviewer called it Eleanor Bake Oven for its reliability and charm, noting perfect toasting and baking results that retired their old toaster. Another user praised the crisp and even cooking, saying, "I've made egg tarts, fried potatoes, and crispy chicken. Everything came out amazing." However, some noted minor quirks, like wiggly buttons or hot exterior knobs after prolonged use, but these are overshadowed by the oven's overall performance and ease of use. The included recipe book and accessories make it beginner-friendly, while the large capacity and versatility appeal to seasoned cooks. Who should buy this? The Val Cucina is perfect for families. Its large capacity handles big meals with ease. Entertainers. Impress guests with crispy wings or a perfectly baked pizza. Meal preppers. Batch cook fries, roasts, or dehydrated snacks for the week. Health-conscious cooks. Enjoy fried foods with less fat and no guilt. Space-savvy cooks. Replace multiple appliances with one compact, stylish unit. Why choose Val Cucina? Over competitors. Compared to brands like Breville or Ninja, the Val Cucina offers a unique blend of infrared heating, true convection, and a non-toxic enamel interior at a competitive price. While Breville's Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is a top performer, it's pricier and lacks the Val Cucina's retro aesthetic. Ninja's Foodie has a cool-down period that some find noisy, whereas the Val Cucina is quieter and more efficient. For those seeking a balance of style, functionality, and affordability, this oven is hard to beat. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.